Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are visiting Kelavarapalli Dam, which is in Hosur. And from Electronic City, it don't take more than 50 minutes because it's 30 km only. So let's get started. Till Chennai Silk Hosur, you need to come through highway only. After that, you need to take a left turn. You need to drive through Basti Road. It's a pretty fine road. Only couple of kilometers. It is little crowded because you need to cross through the market, the flower market. So during festive period, don't plan. Otherwise, it will be too crowded. Otherwise, the road is pretty fine. See here.
Onto Bridge Road, then your destination will be on the right.
We just reached Kelavarapalli Dam. Ayushman is super happy because they allowed cycle to ride inside. So Ayushman will ride bicycle with a view. Both side, eh? One side park, one side dam. But Ayushman, now you are happy, huh? Yeah. Okay, let's go. The water quality is pretty bad. It's a hard smell coming out of this water, so looks like some chemical mixed. So it's a pretty good place to explore, but the smell is irritating, so we are going back. Okay. There is a park as well, but it's not well maintained. So overall I can say it's an average place. If you are staying at Electronic City nearby, then you can visit here just for a just to spend some time in the evening. Otherwise, if you are somewhere far away, then I don't think you should come here. See, people come here also for wedding photo shoots. You can see, right? One photo shoot is going on. But also there are plastic surrounds. I am not sure if I am able to zoom and if you are able to see or not. So plastic wrappers everywhere, plates. Okay, so time to go back. We got a very nice place near the lake. It's a kind of ground, and so we are just setting up the place. We will have some soup. Anyway, we have all the camping setup in our camper van, so we will have a soup. And Ayushman is like fully enjoying his new bicycle. It's his kind of place to ride bicycle. What, Ayushman?
I am fully excited.
Ayushman is fully excited. He needs this kind of place only. See, this is Sunday evening. What we would have done at home? Simply sitting and watching social media, Facebook and all those things. We are enjoying here. Nice place, nice place. Okay, let me show you a cinematic clip of this place. You enjoy that. We'll meet in some time. If you want a camping feeling nearby Electronic City, I think this is the right place. Though the dam is not that great, but it's a simply awesome place. So we are preparing soup now. Wherever Ayushman, dog should be there. Following since hometown actually. Our soup is ready now. We will have it with an awesome view and with sunset. There is nothing better than this place, enjoying a soup. Actually, our expectation was not that great with this dam. What is the dam name, Ayushman? Ayushman don't know. Kelavarapalli Dam. Yeah, actually we came here 3 years back. That time it was okay, but water condition was not that great. But we found this place. This is simply awesome.
And here small mushrooms are also there.
Yeah, small mushrooms. And Ayushman enjoyed riding bicycle, right?
Yeah.
New cycle. Ayushman always want off-road, and this is kind of off-road for him.
Yeah.
Little bit.
Ayushman,
What?
next week we will go with go for a overnight camping, okay? Huh?
Yeah. This one,
You will not be scared, right?
I know. Ayushman is so brave.
Without cycle.
Without cycle, huh?
No, cycle should be there.
Cycle should be there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Till we finish our soup, you guys enjoy the cinematic clip and an aerial view of this place where we are, so that you can take a call if you want to visit here or not. See this. awesome time we spent today. We didn't expect when we reached Kelavarapalli Dam. We thought to go back home, but after that we came across this wonderful location. At least I think 1 hour we spent here, and we prepared soup, and simply it's awesome, man. And we enjoyed the sunset. You might have also seen in the clip. And time to go back. Aishman also enjoyed riding his bicycle. What, Aishman?
Yeah, I enjoyed a lot. In the dam also I got permission to drive, and here also I drive a lot.
Yeah, they allowed the bicycle because Aishman, right? Aishman, everybody allows everything.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all, guys. Next week we are planning for overnight camping, so stay tuned. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care. Bye bye.